What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with another video for you guys. Caspians, this flash crash in crypto, everything's going to zero. It's going to zero. Bitcoin is going to freaking zero. Like that. I gotta play, hold on, I gotta play that for y'all. Man. Hold on, let me make sure my audio is on point, man.
Bitcoin will go to fucking zero.
One day.
In a microsecond. Like that. And when the
it's going to zero. Cas, however, is going to hold up extremely nicely. Cas is one of the strongest projects in the space. Caspians, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description. Also, go and check out my previous my Kaspa playlist so you could go and rewatch, study up on Kaspa, learn about all the technology. We go through everything about the project on the channel. Go rewatch the previous videos that I've uploaded as well. Share the videos with your friends and family, guys. Let's blow up. Let's take over the space together. Cas right now sitting at 0.038 cent, 774 mil market cap. 23 million 24-hour trade volume. Ghost protocol, I'm bullish on Cas. Kaspa #1, still bullish on Cas, even with zero free confirmed, but it's okay. It will go down a little, pump up hard. We can wait and buy more, no problem, right? Telling you, man, Seabass, LFG, someone bought the discount. End the roll, Cas and managed to hold on even in the bad course of the market. I don't expect any further declines. I expect 70 cent. And this is what I'm saying, guys. Even 10,000 Kaspa, right? Obviously 100,000 is the bag to have, right? But a lot of people can't afford that, right? $4,000 is a lot, and a lot of people that have trouble with savings. Inflation is hitting them so hard. Like, a lot of people got wrecked. Like, if you're in a space right now, you probably got wrecked last year. Like me, for example. So 100,000 Cas is like, beyond what you could afford, right? But even if you could just afford 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 Cas, even 30,000, $1,000, 20,000, $700, still a nice bag going into the bull cycle, and potentially will net you $20,000, $10,000 to $30,000 in the bull cycle. That's enough to pay off. That's not like, sounds like a lot, but that's enough to pay off a debt. Maybe get you started on some debt that you had issues with, and you help pay some of it off, so you can set yourself up even better for the future, right? And the market will continue, and there will be continuous opportunities. Cas, for example, could blow everything else out of the water and do potentially go to that $5, $10 mark, right? You just never know in this next bull cycle, but we know it's gonna be the biggest we've ever seen. So lock in those gains, man. Buy the dips on great altcoins. Make sure you have Cas in your portfolio. If you have a diversified portfolio, make sure you got Cas as an altcoin, right? This is the king of DAG technology. You gotta have exposure to it. Could be, like I said, could be right up there next to Bitcoin in the future, right? And I wouldn't fade it at all. Even 10,000 Cas could make you some nice gains, man. So yeah, guys, just letting you know, even 10,000, if you hold 10,000 Cas, or if you don't have any Cas, even holding 10,000 could be a lot. 10,000 to 100,000 Cas could be a lot, and yeah, just diamond hand going into the bull cycle. KuCoin, crazy volume, 4 million volume. Gate.io, 4 million volume. BitGet, 4.7 million. Mexi, 7.7 million. Withdraw your Cas from these exchanges, guys. Withdraw your Cas. And I'll say that because one of the exchanges that got a ton of volume for Cas, it was like $10 million in volume on the 24-hour, recently went down. Okay, I didn't cover that in a video. A lot of people already covered it. This is one of the first exchanges that ever listed Cas, and it recently went down. You can see from the Kaspa price action, we might come back down to the support level. We had resistance level here. flip that resistance into support, so we'll see what happens. But on the daily, just zoom out of the onto the daily, you see Kaspa is forming a huge cup and handle pattern on the daily chart, right? So right here from TXBit, it has been a difficult decision, and with heavy hearts and tears, we announced the closure of TXBit services on September 14, 2023. We kindly ask that all our customers withdraw their funds before 12 p.m. And this is why you can't hold your crypto on exchanges. You have to withdraw them into your wallet. Kaspa wallet, Change wallet, Tangent wallet. Withdraw your cash from exchanges, because you never know if this could happen to you. I think majority of people haven't lost their funds. The majority of people are receiving their funds after withdrawing. It was super congested at first, and it was super scary for a lot of people. But now we're seeing things more clear up for people that are withdrawing from TXBit. This is one of the first exchanges that listed cash. Remember, you can't get cash from like a decentralized exchange like Uniswap, PancakeSwap. Well, you can with wrapped Kaspa now, but the original Kaspa, you could only get it from mining and you know, buying on exchanges, right? And TXBit was one of the first exchanges that listed cash, and that is going down now. So all that volume for cash is just gone, and probably one of the reasons why we saw that correction for cash as well, right? So we're already starting to bounce back from it though. Alex, cash hash rate, follow the miners. Cash hash rate just keeps hitting new all-time high after all-time high. 11.13 PHS for the cash hash rate, and it just keeps going, man. I'm telling you guys, keep an eye out for that. Kaspa is, you know, doing what Bitcoin did in the past. Around 2013, 2014, Bitcoin's hash rate just kept going up. And what happened to the price action for Bitcoin? The price for Bitcoin, it exploded to levels that they never expected, right? And this is why people say buying cash is like buying Bitcoin at $100, or buying Ethereum at, you know, what, 10 cent, 80 cent a dollar. What was the lowest price for Ethereum? What are the lowest prices for Ethereum? But it's basically the same thing here, right? With Kaspa's hash rate hitting new all-time highs consistently, just like what we saw with Bitcoin, the price action will follow the miners. 84.eth, I'm almost certain Uphold is buying the main custodian for institutional investors. We covered this on a video before in the past. Uphold, Kaspa was listed on Uphold Institutional, right? And that's where we see the institutional investors could start to get into Kaspa, and it looks like they're already starting. Remember the 7 million buy, someone else bought $1 million worth. Uphold has institutional so far that we're aware of. They publicly stated it. Institutional players won't have a cash wallet. They need one party to custody. They won't have an ETH or BTC wallet either. So 84.eth really thinks institutionals are already buying cash, and they're doing it over the counter through Mexi Global, right? That's why we see a lot of the Kaspa holdings on Mexi has been reduced. Moonshot Jobs, pretty interesting. So is Kaspa becoming not only a P2P decentralized electronic cash, but also the next store of value? Bitcoin, cash, gold. And look at the timeline for the chart. Look at this, man. Bitcoin and gold just sideways, and cash just parabolic growth. Look at this chart. This is so freaking beautiful. This is why I say, man, don't worry about this short-term price action. Long-term, cash is a great long-term altcoin to play, in my opinion. Cash is one of those altcoins you gotta have in your portfolio going into the bull cycle for 80 to 90% guaranteed gains. Remember, nothing is guaranteed in crypto, but 80 to 90% chance you buy some cash right now, you're gonna make profit going into the bull cycle. From Crypto Titan, woohoo, managed to teach 12,000 people in the Middle East about cash through my TikTok video. It's not much, but it's something. Hey, shout out to Crypto Titan. I see my video here as well. You know, shout out to the people of the Middle East, right? And look at this. The awareness of cash keeps growing, even on TikTok. This is what I'm saying. This is how a lot of projects started before they had their huge parabolic runs. You'd think $1 billion market cap is a lot for cash. It's still tiny, It's still small. It's still undervalued, right? And it's gonna get to a point, just like you see with the XRP community, how huge they are, the HBAR community, how huge they are, guys. Like, there's gonna be a huge influx of people into the Kaspa community and ecosystem, and you're just gonna see consistent growth with the amount of people that hold Kaspa or believe in Kaspa. And content creators will explode. People that talk about Kaspa will explode. Price action will explode. Kaspa will solidify itself in the top 100, if not the top 3, top 2 of crypto for the long term, right? We still got 10 BPS mainnet, 32 BPS mainnet, 100 BPS mainnet, smart contracts. Like, it's a lot. It's a lot. From Captain Sats, the Kaspa currency founders, DAG researchers in numerous algorithm research papers and unrelated works. They also designed Ghost that ETH consensus runs on. So you see, Dr. V. Sohar and Jonathan Sampolinsky, aka Satoshi Nakamoto, trees and DAGs instead of chains. Ghost Spectre proposals for Bitcoin deals with chains. So the old technology is used in Ethereum's consensus mechanism, and I've covered that before. DAG Knight is far superior, right? Remember, Ghost and Spectre is old technology. DAG Knight, which is what Kaspa runs on, is the newest technology. Other DAGs can't compare, blockchains can't compare. Jim Skibum finding Kas has been instrumental to my ability to outperform the market. Is outperformed both BTC and the S&P 500. Look at this, man. Free launch, no ICO, no VCs, no pre-mine, fastest proof of work, parabolic hashing power, renowned core dev solves the blockchain trilemma, and the hash rate just keeps hitting new all-time highs, guys, and it's great to see, man. Captain Sats, smart contracts helped Ethereum take off, but the other thing that helped ETH stand out was the fast block rate compared to Bitcoin back then. It was faster. Same guys are breaking records on proof of work with Kaspa. OG things. OG things demand them. Big up yourself. Blessings. Toward a 12-second block time. So, right here from Ghost. See, right? I love Captain Sats' tweets. So, like, you could go in and do your research. Kaspa's founders are Aviv Zohar and Jonathan Sampolinsky, and you see the tie-ins to Ghost in a lot of these protocols like ETH, altcoin, Monero. The list goes on, and you can see right here stated by the Ethereum blog.ethereum.org. They're mentioning Aviv Zohar and Jonathan and the construction of the protocol single level Ghost, right? And again, that is all technology. DAG Knight is leagues above that. So imagine as time progresses, just how powerful Kas will become. Kaspa integrated on now payments by NR Krausing, Shield, Kaspa community. Kas is integrated on now payments. Look at that. Kaspa integrates now payments, now accepts now payments. Set up account, choose your integration, place pay button, get profit. Now commerce with Kaspa, right? So Kaspa's main goal is to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This is one of the steps towards that. As a significant player, crypto gateway space, Now Payments is making waves with the integration of Kas. Now Payments is crypto payment gateway that stands out to tailored solutions and accessibility. Now Payments adds new dimensions to its offerings. Integration lies in the heart of Now Payments with its user-friendly platform business and effortlessly integrates with platforms like Shopify, accepting crypto payments as part of their regular operations. While maintaining a solid focus on crypto payments, Now Payments offers fiat conversion to onboard more traditional users to the digital currency markets. Okay, while maintaining a solid focus on crypto payments, Now Payments, okay, so we already read that. This added functionality illustrates Now Payments' commitment to combining the innovative aspects of cryptocurrency with the stability and familiarity of TradFi systems. Become an affiliate, get rewarded for Kas adoption. Okay, Now Payments is just providing innovative payment solution. Now Payments offers attractive affiliate program. Register as an affiliate account, share in the affiliate link, earn a percentage. The reward amount is 25%. Now Payments. Okay, I might just set this up for myself. Other Caspians, if you're tuning in, could be a way to earn some extra income. Spread the word to your favorite merchants to accept Cas. Look at that, man. Awesome stuff, right? That is super bullish. Again, the developments keep happening for Cas, and more companies are integrating it into their company because they know how powerful and how based and how great this project is, right? So Caspians, thank you all so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description. Really appreciate all the support on these videos. Share with your friends and family. Blow this up. Let's go viral together. I'll catch you in the next one.